Are you on the hunt for a natural way to moisturize your skin? Well, look no further than your kitchen pantry. Today, we're diving into the world of coconut oil, a powerhouse ingredient that's been hailed as the ultimate moisturizer for your skin. Coconut oil is a treasure trove of fatty acids, boasting high amounts of lauric acid, capric acid, and caprylic acid. These fatty acids have an impressive knack for moisturizing, deeply penetrating the skin to leave it soft, supple, and perfectly hydrated. So how can you incorporate coconut oil into your skincare routine? First, there's the direct application method. Simply scoop out a small amount of coconut oil and massage it directly onto clean, dry skin. Pay special attention to areas prone to dryness, like elbows, knees, and heels. The oil will melt upon contact with the skin, making it a breeze to spread and absorb. Another method is to use coconut oil as a body oil. Warm it up slightly and apply it all over your body after showering or bathing. This helps to lock in moisture and leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. For a more intensive hydration, use coconut oil as a night treatment. Apply it to your skin before bedtime and cover with cotton gloves or socks. This allows the oil to penetrate deeply overnight, resulting in softer, rejuvenated skin when you wake up. For those who enjoy a little DIY, coconut oil can be combined with natural exfoliants like sugar or salt to create a nourishing body scrub. Massage the scrub onto damp skin to slough off dead cells and reveal smoother, brighter skin underneath. Now let's talk benefits. Coconut oil is a champion when it comes to hydrating dry skin. Its fatty acids create a protective barrier on the skin, preventing moisture loss and restoring hydration to dry, dehydrated skin. For those suffering from eczema, coconut oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it a soothing remedy. It helps reduce redness, itching, and irritation, providing relief for sensitive or eczema-prone skin. It's also a powerful ally against inflammation, thanks to its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Whether it's sunburn, razor burn, or minor skin irritations, coconut oil can help reduce redness and swelling while promoting healing. But it doesn't stop there. The moisturizing and antioxidant properties of coconut oil can help combat signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. Regular use can improve skin elasticity, firmness, and overall texture, giving your skin a more youthful appearance. And lastly, it offers antibacterial protection. Lauric acid, a key component of coconut oil, has antimicrobial properties that can protect the skin against bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This makes coconut oil an effective natural remedy for acne-prone skin, helping to prevent breakouts and promote clearer, healthier skin. So there you have it, coconut oil, a natural, versatile, and highly effective moisturizer for your skin. Incorporate it into your skincare routine and experience the sumptuous benefits for yourself. It just might become your new skincare staple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.